which one is an outer orbital complex? So when two types of d orbitals are available, n minus 1d and nd. So if d orbitals of valence shell are involved in the hybridization, such type of complexes are called outer d orbital complexes. So we have to check all these complexes in which one outer d orbitals are participated in the hybridization. So let us take first one. Nickel, atomic number of the nickel is 28. Nickel is in +2 oxidation state, nickel 2 plus. So the electronic configuration of nickel 2 plus, 3d8, 4s0, 4p0 and 4d0. Coordination number of nickel 2 plus is 6. Ammonia ligands, of course, ammonia ligands are strong field ligands. So then you check the availability of inner d orbitals. So since ammonia ligands are strong field ligands, inner d orbitals only preferable for the hybridization. Since coordination number is 6, hybridization must be either sp3d2 or d2sp3. So this is 3d, next to 4s, 4p, 4d, 3d8. So in the presence of ammonia ligand, all electrons have been paired. Then this is 3d8 configuration. 6 empty orbitals. What are the empty orbitals available? We will see. 3d, 4s, 4p, 3 orbitals and 4d. So if these 6 orbitals are involved in the hybridization, we can get dsp3 dehybridization. So orbitals undergoing hybridization must be almost having same energy, but 3d orbital and 4d orbitals, lot of energy difference is there. That's why one 3d orbital, one 4d orbital do not participate in the hybridization. For that purpose, what happens? 2 out of 2 d orbitals must be either from 3d or from 4d. So from 3d we cannot get. So instead of 3d orbital, all 2 4d orbitals only participated in the hybridization. So that's why even though ammonia ligands are strong field ligands, due to lack of sufficient number of 3d empty orbitals, 2 empty d orbitals are participated from valence shell 4d only. That's why the type of hybridization here is sp3d2. Right? So hexaamine nickel 2 plus ion only called outer d orbital complex. Outer d orbital complex. Correct answer is A. So no need to check B, C, D because this is single answer type question. So others, cobalt here, ammonia strong field ligand. That's why in the presence of strong field ligand is generally inner d orbital complexes. Here also Cn minus is strong field ligand, inner d orbital complex. Here also Cn minus is strong field ligand, that is also inner d orbital complex. Even though strong field ligand is present in nickel hexaamine complex, due to lack of sufficient inner 3d orbitals, outer d orbitals are involved in the hybridization. This is a very nice question.